Eh, so, no, I haven't put that up yet. So a while back, I did the unboxing of this, which isn't being posted until a bit later into August, I think, because there's still one thing in here that I want to show off that I need to get batteries for. But it comes with a bunch of like little things from the Fallout, the Amazon Prime series that just has a bunch of like Lucy's stuff and whatnot. Well, the same company, Dr. Collector, did Jurassic Park ones. So there's this one, and then this one. I'll be doing a separate video on this one just to kind of keep it short, but comes with quite a few things. Welcome letter, obviously the box, badge collection, which is these, logo pen, night vision goggles manual, Jurassic Park postcard, entrance ticket, exclusive sticker, the park VIP lanyard and pass, the Jurassic Park embroidered patch, if I can speak, and then the little, I wouldn't necessarily call that a flag. It's more or less like a, I don't know, like a fabric banner almost. But yeah, obviously these are not toys. Obviously unbox it. It's got all the little things on the back here. So here is the welcome letter. Got the park ticket. You have the VIP pass. I really like how it has this pressed down into it. Give me a sec. There we go. Didn't want to pop out, had to use two hands. Got this, the banner flag thing. Oops. The badges of the different areas from Brachiosaurus to Velociraptors, T-Rex, Ceratops, and the Dilophosaurus. Got the Jurassic Park sticker, the logo, and the T-Rex. Got the pin, the lanyard to go with the visitor pass, the embroidered patch, which flips this one. I think you actually have to sew on, maybe, I don't know. Got the postcard. Has a little T-Rex there where the stamp goes. You've got the, I think this is the park map. Okay, that's cool. So, obviously it's got an image of the island. And when you open it, shows the main gates. And the gates, when they're open, if they'll stay open. God damn it. Nope. Okay. Obviously, it's got text in Japanese, which is probably just this. At least I think that's Japanese. Yeah, I think it is. Yeah. Some general information. Shows some images and whatnot. And shows the layout of the park. So there's that. And the instructions for the goggles that you see in the movie. But yeah, so that's cool. Keyboard is closed at all times. Yeah, no shit. I wonder why. Obviously, it's got the collector's logo thing in it. I don't think I'll, fucking, I might as well. Oh, it does reseal. Okay. Just gotta do this and actually sure I keep it in a way where I can put it back in, because at some point I will hang it up, but Not at the moment. Yeah, so obviously when dinosaurs ruled the earth, this is what you see hanging on the ceiling when you walk in to the main area and whatnot. That ends up getting taken down when Rexy decides to go nuts. But yeah, so obviously, like, there's 3 things I'm hyper fixated on. One being murder drones, 2 being Jurassic Park, which is what I grew up watching, and 3, Fallout franchise. But yeah, if you're looking to, like, if you're somebody who likes Jurassic Park and whatnot, go to Dr. Collector. They've got not a lot of sets, but they've got one for obviously main Jurassic Park. They got one from Lost World. They had one for, or no, they had 2 different ones for Jurassic World, but they've been sold out for a while now. But yeah, I'll be doing another video on this one separate because it's got a lot more stuff in it, and I'm unfortunately running out of space on my phone, which is what I'm doing all this on. Yeah.